insMe sign up package tutorial. Firstly, log into insMe account. Enter into insMe system homepage. Click on member. Click on sign up. insMe provides two different options for you to sign up for any package. Option 1. Click on pay via payment gateway. Enter the package amount. Enter your bank name. Click on confirm. Enter payment link. Enter your card details to pay. Complete the payment. Package signed up successfully. Option 2. Click on pay via USDT. Enter the package amount. Click on next. Click on payment address. The system displays payment link copied successfully. Enter payment link. Complete your payment within the validity period. Package signed up successfully. The above is a detailed tutorial for insMe sign up package. We hope it is able to help everyone. Thank you for watching.